Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. As you have read by the title, today's video is a everyday makeup look video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. For the moisturizer, I'll be using the Garnier Skin Naturals Light Complete Moisturizing Serum in Lotion. So it basically says skin looks visibly lighter. So let's see. Okay.
Oh, it's a complete moisturizer. It smells good.
So moisturizer is hell important for your skin. Otherwise, say goodbye to your skin if you are applying makeup without moisturizer. So yeah, done applying the moisturizer. So the next step is primer. So the same primer as I use in every video. Today also I'm going to use the same primer, which is the Stars Underways. So let's get started.
So priming my eyes also.
So for daily basis, like for everyday look, I'll be using the Pond's BB cream in the shade 01 Original.
So I'll be applying it with a foundation brush.
So also for everyday look, y'all can't use foundations every day. So it's better to use BB creams. So can you see the difference? So don't forget to apply here also.
So I'll be applying a bit of BB cream. Under my neck.
So yes, I have done applying the BB cream, and the next step is concealer. So I'll be using the Pro Conceal in the shade Golden Sand. Yeah.
We'll just blend it over. So we'll just blend it over the eyes.
If you want any eye primer, like for the eyeshadows, before using eyeshadows, most people use eye primers, but it's not necessary to buy eye primers for eyes. Like you all can use the concealer as the primer of your eyes. So yeah, it like the concealer also does the same thing. So yeah, I have concealed my dark circles. And to highlight my nose, I'll be using the NY concealer in the shade White and Milk Chocolate. So just a little bit on my nose, not to hide but to highlight.
Yeah. because my nose is chapat here. I don't know. Yeah, it's chapat. I just blend it with the sponge. Yeah. I'll not spread it, but I'll blend it at that part. Slowly.
We have done highlighting our nose, and the next step is to fix the makeup. So I'll be using the Photo Fix from Stars in the shade Vanilla. So for today's eye look, I'll be using the shade which is similar to this shade. Eyeshadows, today I'll be using the Nika K makeup palette in the shade Under the Seas. So I'll use this shade for today, not so dark but a very little part of it, so that it looks natural.
So can you all see that? It matches this actually.
I've done blending the pinky shade, and the next shade which I'll be using is not the shade, but I'll use some shimmer or kind of highlighter, not shimmer like, because using shimmer will give a glam look. So I'll be using a light highlighter which could match the shade. So yeah, I'll be using the highlighter now. So I'll be using the Rude Unicorn Fantasies highlight palette. This is the shade, and the sad part is this shade is broken. I don't know how, but yeah, it broke my heart. Oh my god, okay. So nevertheless, the 4 shades are there, and I can even use that broken shade also. Why to waste it? So yeah, I'll be using the same broken shade today. That the shade name is After Sex Glow. So yeah, I'll be using that for today on my eyes.
Oh, this looks cute.
So I have done applying the highlighter on my eyes, and this is my eyeshadow look for today. And let's do, today I am not doing eyeliner because it's everyday look, and I don't like using eyeliners on my everyday basis. Like, I don't like to use eyeliners on everyday basis. I just use mascara and I'm good to go. Applying mascara, I will curl my lashes because I am not using eyeliner. So So for mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Alice Plus Olivia by Stacey Bended XOXO, the Hyper Curl. So yeah.
Such a big name.
Here we complete the eye look. So yeah, this is the eye look that I have created for my everyday look. We'll do this eye now and we'll be right back. So I have done applying my eyeshadows on the other eye also, and this is my eye look for today. Let's come back to our face. So yeah, today I'll be doing contouring only, not blush. For everyday basis, why do you need blush? Bronzer is okay, like yeah, for I'll do bronzer today. Only bronzer. Like, I don't have the bronzer product, but still I can make it. Yeah. So yeah, first we'll contour our face and then we'll make our own bronzer. So yeah, so I'll be using the same contouring powder, that is the Stars Photo Fix in the shade Tan.
Contouring is must. Contouring my forehead now. part as well.
As we have decided, we'll use bronzer and also make the bronzer. So yeah, I'll be using a different brush. Using the same blush ka brush, which is this, and we'll make the bronzer. So basically, to make a bronzer by your own, take some contouring shade on the brush and then over that take some highlighter and your bronzer is ready. Like if you need a shiny bronzer in a sunny day, so it's ready.
So yeah, I took some contouring shade and now I'll take some highlighter. So yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I have took highlighter and let's see if it works. Yeah, it's working. It's freaking working. See, y'all can see the shade and also some highlighter. So yeah, it's working.
Don't forget to use this technique because it actually works. This is my own made technique right now. Like I haven't decided any such techniques before. It just randomly came in my mind and it's my invention. Oh my god. So done applying the Siddhi's made bronzer. So yeah, I'll not use any highlighter for today because already I have used highlighter as bronzer. So yeah, we'll directly jump into the lipstick. So lipstick ka shade would be nude. So for the lipstick, I'll be using the LA Color Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Sultry. The lip color is dried. Yeah, this is the matte one. This is such a cute shade. Like I had ordered it and when I first applied it, it was like, whoa, I have applied lipstick but कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा. It was like that. So I made a hack. I never waste any products. I remake that in my own way. So if you all want to see my beauty hacks related to makeup, don't forget to comment down below. So I'll be using the LA18 Color Pops matte in the shade Mauve Date a little bit. Like I'll not rub the lipstick over my lips, but I'll just dab it.
So that nude shade is ready. So I
Don't see the color is ready. Oh my god. Yeah, I have completed the look for today, but the last step which we would never forget, that is fixing the whole look. So yeah, I'll be using the NY Bay fixing makeup fixer. So yeah, let's do it. This is my everyday makeup look. Hope you all guys loved this. Hope it was helpful. That is makeup hacks. So yes, if you all want any makeup hacks that is made by me, so don't forget to comment down below so that I can get to know what you all guys want from me. So yes, this is my final look and here we complete our today's video. So yes, I have done setting my hairs and this was it for today's video. Hope you all guys loved it, and so don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and thank you for watching. Keep supporting me and giving me love. So yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye.